Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Can you hear me? Response please.
So now we want to filter. Okay. So how we filter this data set Landsat 9. Okay. So first of all, we want to see how many images available in this data set. For that, we use the print function. Okay. So print function. What is our print function? So now you see here that this all of the total Landsat 9 images is stored in the variable name is Landsat 9. Okay. That means we will use the Landsat 9 equal this dataset. Okay, so we simply copy this Landsat 9 dataset variable name and paste here, and also use the size function. The size function shows as a integer number value. Okay, so when we skip this size function, if we try to run, okay, and try to print, now we see that the image collection is error here because these are user limit accessed. Okay, that's why we use the size function for show as a integer number value. Okay, now click the run. Now you can easily see after some second you can see here the number is computing. Okay, after some second you can easily see how many images available in this Landsat 9 top atmospheric reflectance data set. Okay, so now we filter um, using our specific region. Okay, now you see here the more than 5 lakhs. Okay, more than 5.4 lakhs images available in Landsat 9 dataset, because Landsat 9 is our update dataset. Okay, okay, this Landsat 9 capturing date start from year of 2021. Okay, that means almost 4 years. That's why number of images is uh, low. But if you want to see suppose Landsat 8, put out the suppose Landsat 8. Okay, Landsat 8 and call our Landsat 8 dataset. Wait a minute. The Landsat section is easily click, and also it's a Landsat 8. Okay, suppose this top atmosphere reflecting data set, also surface reflecting data. Suppose randomly we click on this top atmosphere reflecting data set, and also we simply copy this earth in snippet and open in our code editor, and also set this very already I set this very Landsat 8. Now if you want to check how many images available in Landsat 8 dataset, just simply copy this Landsat 8 variable name and also paste here. Okay, simply copy and also use the size function for where the integer number. After some second you can easily see this Landsat 8 number of images more than 1.9 million. Okay, and in Landsat 9 you see here the more than 5 lakhs only. Okay, so it's not a big deal, just for example I put this type of things. Okay, so now we filter this study area. Okay, now we see that in our Landsat 9 we easily see the more than 5 lakhs images. Okay, that means 5.4 lakhs images available here. After some second you can easily see the Landsat 8 uh, images. Okay, number of images. So now we filter this data set, suppose Landsat 8 or Landsat 9. Okay, suppose we take a variable name is filter geometry. Okay, if you want you can use any variable name, no problem. We put at the filter geometry and call our this Landsat 8 or Landsat 9. Just for example, just I put here the suppose Landsat 9 or Landsat 8. Okay, so we simply copy this Landsat 8 top atmospheric reflectance dataset variable name Landsat 8 and paste here. Okay, and also we use here the filter bounds function. What is our filter bounds function? Filter bounds function intersect our only study area. If you want to learn, okay, now you see here the more than 1.9 million images. Okay, more than 1.9 million images available in Landsat 8. So now we filter this one, suppose Landsat 8 or Landsat 9. Okay, and also filter our required images. Okay, for our suppose analysis. Okay, ndvi, ndwi, or anything, land use, land cover. Okay, so this is just for example we use at the filter bounds function. What is our filter bounds function? Okay, so now for your better understanding I skip one Landsat 9 or Landsat 8. Okay, so suppose we use here Landsat 8 for filtering, that means more than 1.9 million images we filter. Okay, so what is our filter bounds function? Filter bounds function is our intersects our gene. All of the function available in our doc step. Okay, as a new learner, doc step your friend. Now you can easily see what is our filter bounds function. Filter bounds function is, you see at the shortcut to filter a collection by intersect with your geometry. That means we select our geometry and we see how much images or how many images available in our study area. Item in the collection with a footprint that fails to intersect the given geometry will be excluded. Okay, so that means we only filter our this study area available footprint of this Landsat 8 images. Okay, so now we use the geometry. What is our geometry? Geometry is our study area. That means we filter only one. Okay, only filter only one boundary shapefile from international boundary. Okay, that means this Bangladesh shapefile is stored in the variable name is country. Simply copy this country and paste in our uh, geometry. Okay, so now we want to check how many images available in our study area. That means we simply copy this filter geometry variable name and paste here. And also use the size function for show as a integer number value. Now click the run. Now you can easily see. Wait a minute. Okay, so you see how the number is show here. Wait a minute. Okay, so now you see here the more than more than 4,000 only we filter in our study area. Okay, so from this total number of images, more than 1.8 million images. Okay, we filtered only more than 4,000 okay images in our study area. Okay, so now we filtered suppose our specific time frame. We take a suppose variable name is filter time. Okay, if you want you can use any variable name, no problem, filter time. Okay, so if you want you can use any variable name. And also we call our this total 4,000 filtering images. Okay, these 4,000 filtered images stored in the variable name is filter geometry. Okay, filter geometry. Now we call this filter geometry and also paste here. And also use the filter date function. Filter date function. Okay, filter date. What is our filter date? Start date and end date. Okay, so start date suppose in our Landsat 8 satellite imagery. You see here the this starting time frame is 2013 to 2025, so no problem. So now just for example we put here the year of 2024. Okay, that update year we want to filter. Suppose we want to filter 1 year. Okay, 1 year satellite images. Just for example, year of 2024 1st January to 31st December. Okay, that means this 1 year time frame we want to see how many images available in this uh, data set by specific our study area and also specific time frame. Okay, so now again we use the print function and also call this filter time because this 1 year uh, images is stored already filtered and stored in the variable name is filter time. Simply copy this filter time variable name and paste here. I also use the size function for show as it is the number value. Now click the run. You can easily see this number of images available in this data set. Wait a minute. So now you see here the more than only 100 okay images available between this 1 year time frame. That means 12-month time frame. Okay, between this time frame only this type of number of images. Now again we filter. Suppose we take a variable name is filter metadata. Okay, filter metadata filtering layer. Okay, now we can easily see this is our layer 2. Layer 2 is our only this time you can see this is a black color images. So now we change this band setting. Suppose we want to set natural color band, that is RGB, red, green and blue. Okay, we want to see suppose red color indicate the B4, B4 band indicate the red, and V3 band indicate the green, and B2 indicate the blue. If you want, you can as a new learner you must be follow this band history of this data set. You see here the B2 band indicate the blue band, V3 band indicate the green band, V4 indicate the red band. That means RGB, red, green, blue. 432. I want to select this type of things. 432 band combination. That means natural color band combination. And also in case this custom stress, that is 98% for looking good, for better analysis, better looking. And also apply this band. Okay, band natural color band combination. And also if you want, you can easily import this band combination as a new line. You see here this image, this param. Okay, simply copy this param and paste after layer name. This param, that is this type of thing, automatically set after layer name. That we put here. We see another one. Suppose B5, that is near infrared band, red band, and green band. That means near infrared band 5, 4, 3. In this time you see here the 5 band indicate the near infrared band, 4 indicate the red and green. Okay, in this time we see this type of band combination and custom 98% for looking good, and also we apply. Okay, in this band combination you can easily learn this type of red color indicate the vegetation area. Okay, that means red color indicate the more red color indicate that means deep red color indicate the more vegetation area, that means dense vegetation area. Also is slightly red color indicate the sparse vegetation area, that means low vegetation area. And also this type of black color or dark color indicate the water body. Okay, water body. And also white pixel or gray pixel indicate the build up area or settlement area.